So hi guys, today making
cheddar
mozzarella sticks.
Musa, what do we need to make the mozzarella and cheddar sticks? Can you tell us what is that? 1 cup of, what is this?
Breadcrumbs.
Okay, 1 cup of breadcrumbs. What is that?
Flour.
1 cup flour. Half teaspoon of paprika. Half teaspoon black pepper.
No, I was going to say that.
Okay, half teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon
Garlic powder.
garlic powder. How many eggs do you need?
2. 2, right?
2 eggs. And what kind of cheese are we using?
I'm using mozzarella and cheddar cheese.
Okay, you want to add this into your breadcrumbs.
Yes. No, this looks so spicy. Here, can I do it?
Okay, what are you doing now, Musa?
Mixing.
Okay, go ahead.
Whoa. They're gone now. They're gone.
Hadi, you're not helping today? Hadi, you're not helping today? Scramble the eggs now.
Ah. Oh, look at that. They're so juggly.
Juggly? What is juggly? Jiggly.
Look, now they're juicy.
Okay, let's get started, guys. Yeah.
Say 3.
Yeah, sure. Put it in the flour. There you go, in the flour. Coat it. Coat it, coat it, coat it, coat it. Okay, now put it in the egg.
Okay. I'm gonna put in the egg.
No, don't put all of them in the egg. Yeah, Musa, put it in the egg.
Okay.
Just leave it in the egg for now. Put it in the egg. Okay, that's what are you doing? That's good. And keep putting in the egg crumbs. Sorry, not breadcrumbs.
There.
Coat it in egg.
Okay, move again. Okay, the last one, and we're done. Musa, come. Okay.
Coat it really good. Don't spill, Musa. Slow down.
Don't do that fast.
Make sure it's coated really well, okay? Okay, now put it back in egg.
Gotta put in the egg now. Yeah.
No, we're going to double coat it. Put it back in egg.
Yeah. I got this one. I got this one. And I got. Oh, there's no more. Oh, there's one more. And then put it that egg.
Okay, now coat it in egg.
Like this. There's more. Oh.
Okay, what are you doing now, Musa?
And we're gonna put the we're gonna put this in the egg now again.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let's do it. Now to the same thing where we just
Put everything in there first.
you move. You move. Just put them. Keep putting them. Get more. Here, go first.
Did you double coat it?
Yes.
Okay.
So now we double coat it, and now we're gonna put it in the freezer for 20 minutes.
Okay, let's put it in the freezer. What are we doing now?
We're gonna fry our mozzarella cheddar cheese sticks.
Okay, so why Musa is not talking? He's just nodding. Musa, why you're not talking today?
Oh, I'm in.
Okay, let's just fry them, okay? I'm gonna help you. Let's put it in the oil.
Oh. No, I
Okay.
give them Mama.
Okay.
I'm a little bit scared. Nice.
How long we are going to fry them? Until they are what color?
Like brownish?
Golden brown.
Ooh.
Okay, that's good. You don't want to put too many in there, right?
Yep.
What's your favorite food, guys?
This. Hamburger.
And burger?
Mozzarella sticks. And
That's your
burger.
favorite food?
Yeah, and noodles.
And noodles, okay.
And noodles too. So our mozzarella sticks are ready.
You're gonna eat them? Mozzarella and cheddar cheese sticks.
Yeah.
Okay, go
which one you
ahead.
want? This one. Okay, here. Here, I'll eat this one. You ready?
You don't wanna dip it? Ooh. That was a big bite, Musa.
Very good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye, Musa.
Bye.
Bye, Nadal. Bye.
Bye.